Okay, Mazda Bongo. For the uninitiated. This is the front of the engine bay. Your main engine is under your passenger seat and under your driver's seat, so it's much further back in the van. But just to show you, the driver's side is the normal starting battery. If you have a leisure battery, it will be in this gap here. Some vans from Japan were fitted with an extra battery. It is not a leisure battery. Apparently it's some sort of extra starter battery for the very north of Japan where it's very cold. Passenger side, this is your coolant tank. Take note of the full and the low. These two wires are an aftermarket coolant alarm. £25 from eBay. There are better ones, but this one does the job for me. The cap for the coolant, make sure it's on properly. This is under pressure. Windscreen wiper wash, that's all that is. The front air scoop, sometimes missing in some older Bongos. It goes in to this square box, which is where your hot or cold air comes to in the cabin. The main underbody fuse box. Be careful with these fuses, some of them are screwed in from the bottom, don't yank them out. Clutch and brake pedal fluid reservoir. Back to the battery with another small fuse box under here.